Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how can make chicken sandwich updated. Pound chicken to even thickness, season, then marinate briefly in buttermilk or a light brine. Bread with flour, egg, and seasoned crumbs. Fry or bake until golden and cooked through. Rest briefly. Then assemble on toasted buns with sauce, pickles, and fresh lettuce for balanced texture and flavor. Start by seasoning each layer of the breading to build flavor, coating chicken in flour, egg, then crumbs. Press crumbs firmly so they adhere. For frying, keep oil at a steady 350 degrees F and avoid overcrowding the pan. If baking, use a wire rack and 425 degrees F to let air circulate and crisp the crust. Always rest cooked chicken a few minutes before assembling to lock in juices. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and tap like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab little trees black ice scene here for a fresh ride. Check the description for the link and other deals to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Choose a sauce that complements the seasoning, like spicy mayo, honey mustard, or tangy ranch. Spread a thin layer on both top and bottom buns to balance moisture and flavor. Stack in this order: sauce, lettuce, chicken, pickles, and tomatoes to maintain crunch. Press slightly, slice if desired, and serve right away so the bun stays crisp and the chicken remains juicy for the ideal bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.